Today is a very special video because today we are celebrating Nat's birthday. So happy birthday, Nat. Nat is from Little Miss Nat, and I will put her channel down below so you can go and see her. And she did a video where she was saying it's her birthday coming up, and she invited anyone who wanted to join her for a birthday sleepover to come and join her and do whatever kind of video you want and post it on her birthday. So that's what we're doing. So today I was thinking, if I was going to see Nat on her birthday for a birthday sleepover, what would we do? And I think obviously the first thing we would do is play with makeup. And so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to do a birthday look with makeup and with glitter, because you can't have a birthday without glitter. So I'm going to go into my little palette that I have curated myself from my depotted things and singles. And I'm also going to use my Mermaid Heart palette from Revolution, because mermaids and birthdays go together as well as far as I'm concerned. So I'm just going to go into some pale yellow, and I'm going to go into some dark green, and I'm going to go into this colour here, and then it's pale gold, and Sea Turtle from Classy Cake Cosmetics. 1 to 2 Super Stay Liner in Glitter Navy. Going to go into Space Stone by Classy Cake. My Wonder Swipe from Rimmel, which is in Kaching. You gotta have balloons on a birthday, so I'm gonna make some balloons. And then, after having a real play with our makeup and making a glittery, sparkly balloon kind of birthday look, because what's a birthday without glitter and balloons? I think we would go and get some dinner. And we would go in our crazy makeup and our crazy headbands and celebrate Nat's birthday in style. So, I don't know, we could go and get pizza, or we could go and get Taco Bell, or something like that. Whatever is Nat's favourite, that's where we would go. I'm going to go out for dinner, and I'll see you after for the rest of it. And then, when we get back from dinner, I think we'd take our makeup off, put face masks on, get some popcorn, and watch a movie. And have our pyjamas on. So Nat, I hope you have a lovely birthday. Happy birthday. And thank you for inviting me to your sleepover. Bye everyone. We'll see you next time.